Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at an all-new tech. This here is the Ofuzzi H8 Apex, a portable handheld vacuum cleaner that contains a brushless motor. Now, we've seen brushless motors in RC cars, and I have not seen it in a vacuum cleaner, especially a handheld one, so it should be quite exciting to see. Now, this thing's designed to be portable, so you can go ahead and take it about just about anywhere, clean your backpack, your car, whatever. And yeah, so in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So if you guys want to have your own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so check it out. So this here's our packaging. Kind of shows you what it's all about. So it's got 12K PA vacuum, 30 AW suction power, 20 CFM flow rate, 540 grams lightweight, HEPA filter, and 120 ml dust cup. Now this features a brushless motor, and then as you kind of rotate about, it does come in two different colors. You get a white as well as a graphite. We have the graphite version today, and that is it in terms of what's on it. Let's open this up. Alright. So we get a nice looking thank you card as well as a quick start guide on how to go ahead and assemble as well as charge. We have a user manual, and then inside here is going to be our vacuum. Whoa, sweet. Definitely has a very futuristic vibe. Alright, so this here's everything that you get. So you get your vacuum, you get a nice looking case right over here that houses their logo. You get a suction mount, and then you also get two different kind of brushes, and then of course you get the USB-C cable to go ahead and charge it. Now this here being our vacuum actually has a very nice elegant look, definitely has a really high quality feel. On the bottom here you do have your USB-C port to go ahead and charge it, and then over here you have a little cap that just pops open and you can go ahead and dump whatever dirt that it collects. So that is pretty much it in a nutshell. You also have an unlock feature, so you just press this button here and you can go ahead and remove the whole entire unit to go ahead and clean out the filter. What you do is you just pop this open, and there's a little cap right here that you just remove just like this. And now we can go ahead and clean the filter if necessary. Put that back in there, close it up, and lock it in place. So to turn it on, just hit this on button here. You do have a blue LED status indicator here. And then you have different modes, so low and high. And you can turn it off by just pressing that button like that. So that is great. So to see how this works, you can go ahead and add on attachments just like this. So this here's like a brush. So you just press the button here. Look at that, we got some dust there that we're collecting. I like that, this is nice. Alright, turn it off, and then we can actually see some of the dust that we've collected in there, so that's great. To remove it, just go ahead and take it off just like this. We can put the other brush on here too, so this is like a smaller attachment, kind of clip into place just like this. Now, it does have a filter on the back, so you don't want to go ahead and block that filter, so just make sure you always keep it open, otherwise you'll damage the unit. We can take this off just like this. And then we can add on our extensions. This is great for trying to get smaller details per se, like if you're trying to vacuum your car or something along those lines. From there, just take it off. And once we're done, we'll open this up, pop it open, and then just throw out the dust. Look at that. Haha, sweet. So really simple stuff, very easy to use. I actually like it a lot. I definitely think this is a great piece to buy, especially if you're looking for something that's more accessible, something to go ahead and just leave in your car, or just something to have on the go kind of fly kind of deal. This would be great for vacuuming smaller details, so you don't have to haul a gigantic vacuum anywhere you go. And yeah, that is that in a nutshell. Now if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.